Konnichiwa, minasan. Nihongo no gakusei desu. The lesson for today is about the particle no. Basically, the particle no connects two nouns. It may act like possessive. It may show relations between the main idea and the modifier. That is, one noun is described by another, and it may be used to indicate relative position like above, under, near, but that is for another time. Our topic for today is particle no acting like possessive and showing relation between main idea and modifier. Our equation for this particle is noun 1 no noun 2. It is translated as modifier no main idea. For example, Tokyo Daigaku no Gakusei. The phrase means student of Tokyo University. As you can see, in English, the places are reversed, while in Japanese, the main idea is at the latter part. In English, it is in the first part. But when it is written alternatively, which is fine, the main idea is at the end of the sentence in English. In this case, the no acts as linking particle between the main idea, which is Gakusei, and the modifier, Tokyo University. It is in some way, the particle no may mean the preposition of. Another example, Nihongo no sensei. Sensei is the main idea, which means teacher. So it occupies the latter part of the equation, and the modifier is Nihongo, Japanese language. In English, it can be written as teacher of the Japanese language or Japanese language teacher. However, teacher of the Japanese language does not sound natural. It could mean he or she is the only teacher of the Japanese language. So we use the second one, Japanese language teacher, which is more natural sounding. Another example, Takeshi-san no denwa bango. It means the phone number of Takeshi. Here, the main idea is the phone number and not Takeshi. In this example, the particle no indicates the possession. It is just like saying, whose phone number is it? It is Takeshi's. And again, we can alternatively write the phone number of Takeshi to Takeshi's phone number, which are both natural sounding and acceptable. In some sense, the phrase noun 1, no, noun 2 can act as one big noun. For example, Takeshi-san no oka-san wa koko no sensei desu can be considered as one whole noun. Koko no sensei is also considered as one big noun. Here we integrate the previous lesson, so we say that the topic of the sentence is Takeshi's mother, and she is being described as a high school teacher. The first phrase, Takeshi-san no okasan, indicates possession, while the latter shows relation between the main idea and the modifier. Here we need to clarify some expression. For instance, sensei. Sensei does not only refer to teacher, but also master, doctor, lawyer, or persons with high status occupation as an honorific title because sensei, according to the Japanese, means honorable master. Kyoshi is another alternative word for teacher when it comes to the context of teaching. San is placed after a name as a generic title whenever talking to somebody, even strangers. For instance, Yamada-san, sensei desu ka? But for children, they are referred to as chan, or for boys specifically, they are referred to as kun. And again, instead of san, high status people are referred to as sensei. Also, san is not used for oneself. When introducing oneself, just say the name. Takeshi desu. Sora desu. In Japanese, it is not common to use the word anata or anatawa when referring to the person you are talking to. Instead, use the name plus san or sensei. Or if a stranger, just say sumimasen because for them it may sound rude. For example, Sumisu-san wa igirisujin desu ka? Sumisu-san wa igirisujin desu ka? Mr. Smith, are you a British? So do not say Anata wa igirisujin desu ka? And again, call him by his name plus san or sensei because for them again, Anata wa may sound rude or very strange. We're going to practice constructing sentences with the particle no. Here are our main characters with their schools and majors. For example, Sumisu-san wa Rondon Daigaku no sensei desu. Mr. Smith is a teacher in the University of London. Yamada-san no senko wa Nihongo desu. The major of Mr. Yamada is Japanese language. Please do for Sora with school and Takeshi for major. Please pause the video. Okay, for Sora, Sora-san wa Kankoku Daigaku no Gakusei desu. Miss Sora is a student in the University of Korea. For Takeshi, Takeshi-san no senko wa Rekishi desu. The major of Takeshi is history. Takeshi-san no senko wa Rekishi desu. I hope you have learned something and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more Japanese lessons. Mite kurete arigato. Mata aimashou.